The information in this video comes from thorough research. Please share your thoughts on the video, Mysteries of the Oceans, in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. The sea, once it casts its spell, holds one in its net of wonder forever. Jacques Cousteau. Mysteries of the Oceans. The ocean is Earth's final frontier, a vast and enigmatic realm covering more than 70% of the planet's surface. Despite centuries of exploration, we have only scratched the surface of its secrets. Over 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, leaving room for endless speculation, discovery, and wonder. From unidentified species and lost civilizations to strange sounds and unexplained phenomena, the ocean is home to many enduring mysteries. This text delves into the most captivating mysteries of the oceans, exploring both scientific and mythical perspectives across several categories. Unexplored regions, deep-sea creatures, underwater anomalies, missing ships, ancient ruins, sound mysteries, and more. Join us as we dive deep into the unknown. The unexplored depths, the abyssal and hadal zones. The deepest parts of the ocean are almost entirely inaccessible to humans. These include the abyssal, 4,000 to 6,000 meters deep, and hadal zones below 6,000 meters, which remain among the least studied regions of Earth. The darkness, high pressure, and cold temperatures make exploration extremely difficult. In these depths lie unexplored trenches like Mariana Trench, the deepest known point on Earth, reaching about 11,034 meters. Despite several descents, only a fraction of its ecosystems have been observed. Tonga and Philippine trenches host unique geological features and possible undiscovered life forms. These areas may contain ecosystems that function without sunlight, using chemosynthesis rather than photosynthesis, a process still not fully understood. Deep-sea creatures, unidentified and bizarre species. The deep ocean houses life forms stranger than science fiction. Bioluminescent fish, translucent predators, and gelatinous creatures lurk in the depths, often unseen by humans. Some notable examples: giant squid and colossal squid. Once considered mythical, these elusive giants can reach lengths of up to 14 meters and have rarely been captured on film. Fangtooth fish has the largest teeth in proportion to its body of any fish. Barrel-eye fish, transparent-headed with tubular eyes that point upward. Scientists estimate that up to 2/3 of marine species may remain undiscovered, and some theorize that unknown predators, perhaps even large sea monsters, may exist in the deepest regions. Strange ocean sounds. The bloop and other unexplained sounds. The ocean is filled with mysterious noises that baffle scientists. The most famous among them is the bloop, a powerful ultra-low-frequency sound detected by NOAA in 1997. It resembled a biological origin, but was louder than any known sea creature. Later, it was suggested the sound could have come from ice quakes, but mystery still lingers. Other strange oceanic sounds include upsweep, an unexplained series of short, narrow-band upsweeping sounds. Whistle, detected in the Mariana Trench. Its source remains unidentified. Julia, heard in 1999, theorized to come from a massive iceberg, though some speculate otherwise. The existence of these sounds hints at the presence of unknown natural phenomena, or possibly undiscovered creatures. The Bermuda Triangle. Disappearances and theories. One of the most infamous ocean mysteries is the Bermuda Triangle, a loosely defined region in the North Atlantic where numerous ships and aircraft have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Notable cases: Flight 19, 1945, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers vanished during a training flight. USS Cyclops, 1918, a massive Navy ship disappeared without sending a distress signal. Star Tiger and Star Ariel, British aircraft lost in 1948 and 1949. Explanations range from navigational errors, methane hydrates, and magnetic anomalies to alien abductions and interdimensional portals. While many claims have been debunked, the region continues to fascinate. Lost cities beneath the waves. Atlantis and submerged civilizations. The legend of Atlantis, first mentioned by Plato, describes a technologically advanced island that vanished beneath the ocean. Though considered a myth, ongoing discoveries of submerged ruins fuel speculation. Some real underwater discoveries. Dvarka, India. Ancient submerged ruins believed to date back over 9,000 years. Yonaguni Monument, Japan. A massive underwater rock formation. Debate continues on whether it's man-made. Pavlopetri, Greece. An underwater Bronze Age city dating back to around 3000 BCE. These sites raise questions about sea level rise, ancient civilizations, and lost knowledge. Ghost ships. The phenomenon of abandoned vessels. Ghost ships, vessels found adrift without crew, are one of the sea's eerie phenomena. Famous cases include Mary Celeste, discovered in 1872 with all crew missing but cargo untouched. SS Bachamo, a cargo ship abandoned in 1931 that continued to be spotted for decades afterward, drifting through Arctic waters. MV Joyita, found in 1955 with no crew aboard, despite having all life jackets on board. These disappearances remain unexplained, sparking theories of mutiny, piracy, sea monsters, or even supernatural causes. The ocean's role in climate and weather. Unseen forces shaping the planet. The ocean plays a pivotal but mysterious role in regulating Earth's climate. Ocean currents, such as the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, AMOC, influence weather patterns globally. However, many oceanic processes remain misunderstood. The deep ocean's carbon storage mechanisms. The influence of underwater volcanic activity on global temperature. Potential threats from sudden methane releases from oceanic hydrate layers. Understanding these mysteries is vital in the era of climate change. Uncharted geological phenomena. Underwater volcanoes and earthquakes. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur under the ocean far more often than on land. These features shape the ocean floor and sometimes create new islands. Examples include underwater volcanoes near Tonga, which recently caused a massive eruption visible from space. Hydrothermal vents, openings on the seafloor where superheated water emerges, supporting bizarre life forms without sunlight. Ongoing studies suggest that some underwater rumbles may be linked to previously unknown tectonic activity. Alien-like ecosystems. Hydrothermal and methane vents. At hydrothermal and methane vents, extreme organisms known as extremophiles thrive without sunlight, feeding on chemicals like hydrogen sulfide. These alien-like ecosystems challenge our understanding of life, may resemble potential environments on moons like Europa or Enceladus, suggest that life can originate in places previously considered uninhabitable. What else might exist in such realms, still hidden in the darkness? Underwater anomalies and UFOs. USOs and alien encounters. Reports of unidentified submerged objects, USOs, are less known than UFOs but have a long history. Metallic crafts entering or emerging from a sea. Fast-moving objects beneath the water defying known physics. Secret underwater bases, as theorized near Puerto Rico and the coast of California. While many claims remain unverified, they fuel conspiracy theories and speculation about alien activity beneath the waves. Shipwrecks and hidden treasure. Secrets of the seafloor. Millions of shipwrecks lie at the bottom of the sea, many undiscovered. They range from ancient vessels to modern warships, and some may contain unimaginable riches. Examples include Spanish galleons rumored to hold gold and jewels. Titanic. Though well documented, the full exploration of its debris field is ongoing. The San Jose, a treasure-laden Spanish ship sunk off Colombia, valued at billions. These sites also serve as time capsules, preserving history in the deep. Biological mysteries. Jellyfish, viruses, and immortality. Some marine life exhibits bizarre biological traits. The Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish, can revert to a younger state, effectively avoiding death. Other puzzles. Deep-sea viruses that infect marine bacteria. Unknown symbiotic relationships between sea creatures. Biochemical compounds from sea sponges and algae with potential medical applications, including cancer treatment. The ocean may be the key to unlocking new medical frontiers. Myths, legends, and sea monsters. Stories from the deep. Maritime folklore is filled with tales of terrifying sea creatures. Kraken, a giant squid-like monster capable of dragging ships under. Sea serpents, serpentine creatures described in seafarers' journals for centuries. Mermaids, mythical half-human, half-fish beings seen in many cultures. While science attributes many of these sightings to known animals, such as oarfish or whales, the persistence of these tales suggests there may be more to uncover. Time capsules of the past. Icebergs and ocean sediment cores. Icebergs and deep-sea sediment layers preserve ancient DNA, pollen, and even microfossils. By analyzing these, scientists can learn about past climate events, mass extinctions, and shifts in ocean currents. This ongoing research might help predict future changes, or even reveal forgotten chapters of Earth's history. Technology and the future of ocean exploration. What lies ahead? Emerging technologies such as autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, AI-driven mapping, remote-operated submarines, DNA sampling from water, are revolutionizing ocean exploration. Still, the mystery remains. Why do we know more about the surface of Mars than our own oceans? The call of the unknown. The oceans, vast and deep, are Earth's greatest mystery. They are a reminder of how much we have yet to learn, not only about the planet, but also about life itself. With each new discovery, more questions arise. Whether it's a deep-sea creature, a sunken city, or a mysterious sound in the abyss, the allure of the unknown drives human curiosity forward. The final frontier is not in space. It is beneath the waves. If you have any experiences related to this topic, be sure to share them with us. Until the next episode, be mindful of the energies around you.